Malugi. Madami po.
Oh, God. I can't believe that I am.
Remember now. Good to see you, Mom.
Dominic, Henry. Yeah, nice to see you again. You've been waiting long? Oh, big time.
Kaya, hindi.
Well, I'll just go check on the table then. Let's not be shy, okay?
Everyone, hello. First, I'd like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming to England to my nuptials. I know it's likely difficult to press pause on your work and lives, and I so appreciate it.
Yeah, sweetheart, we wouldn't have dreamed of not coming.
So, cheers.
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 Holly?
And since it's been a little while since we've all been together, I thought we'd play an icebreaker game that I found online called Would You Rather? I played it with my team at work and they absolutely